Hi everybody, I had a quiet day on the range, so I figured this would be a good time to capture some audio of what the gunshots sound like through various suppressors that I own. A lot of people have been asking for this video, even though you cannot really hear what it sounds like over YouTube and over your computer speakers. I'm going to do the best I can on this video. Just understand that most consumer audio equipment and microphones cannot pick up the dynamic range of how loud the gunshot is. Also, there's an automatic volume leveling that happens, gain control. It's kind of like somebody taking a picture of the sky and saying this is how bright the sun is. You're not really getting that, you're getting an approximation of it. Also, these consumer level audio meters or apps on your smartphone cannot really measure a gunshot's loudness, pressure level, because they cannot capture an instantaneous noise, it's an instantaneous impulse. Given all that, I'm going to do the best I can. I have a Sony camcorder with a Rode microphone. I can set this to manual mode so that there's no automatic gain control, there will be no volume leveling on it, and I'm going to do very minimal video editing to try to preserve those same sound levels. There'll still be some clipping, it's a dynamic range issue and I can't do anything about it. I'll start out the video with a range of rimfire suppressors that I brought. The Gemtech GM-22, the AAC Element 2, and the SilencerCo Sparrow. This is the stainless steel version. I'll start out on the Taurus TX-22 pistol, and then I'll move to my AR platform with the 22 upper, and finally the AAC SDN-6 on a 300 Blackout.